In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to jump to a specific date in TradingView. Whether you're analyzing past trading data or simply want to revisit a particular market event, knowing how to navigate quickly to a certain point in time can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, you'll want to locate the bottom toolbar or timescale in TradingView. This area is your control panel for navigating through different timelines of your chosen chart. Now, see that handy little button labeled Go To? It's your shortcut to jumping directly to a date of interest. For those who prefer keyboard shortcuts to speed things up a bit, you can use Alt plus G if you're on a Windows system. If you're working on a Mac, the equivalent shortcut would be Option plus G. Upon clicking the Go To button or using the shortcut, you'll see the date picker appear. This tool is straightforward and intuitive, allowing you to select specific dates effortlessly. You can decide to select just the From date if you're interested in a singular point in time. This is useful if you're wanting to see how the market behaved on a particular day. Simply pick the date you're curious about, and TradingView will immediately take you to that precise moment on the chart. Alternatively, if you need to analyze a range of dates, for example, perhaps you're reviewing performance over a specific quarter or checking events leading up to a major market change, you can set both a From and a To date. Setting these dates defines the exact range you're interested in. Once you've input your desired dates, TradingView will navigate directly to that entire range, providing you with a comprehensive view of the activity between those points in time. This feature saves you from the hassle of manually scrolling through days, months, or even years of data, streamlining your workflow and allowing you to focus your attention on what truly matters, your analysis. It's a simple yet powerful tool that, once mastered, can significantly enhance your efficiency when working within TradingView. For those new to TradingView, navigating with this method might seem minute, but for seasoned traders, this kind of precision can save precious time. Being able to focus on and analyze specific periods without getting bogged down in endless data is crucial in making informed trading decisions. So, remember, whenever you need to jump around in time on your charts, don't hesitate to use the Go To button or those handy keyboard shortcuts. This will ensure that your TradingView experience is as smooth and efficient as it can be. Happy trading!